Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel in which I will tell you about structure annuity settlement. So we go to Google Chrome, and then search structure annuity settlement, and we see many websites, but we open first website. Structured settlement annuities. What is a structured settlement? A structured settlement annuity allows a claimant to receive all of or portion of a personal injury, wrongful death, or workers' compensation settlement in a series of income tax-free periodic payments. Structured settlements may also be used in non-physical injury settlements so that our clients may receive tax-deferred income instead of receiving an immediate and fully taxable lump sum settlement payment. A sage settlement consultant can advise you for your different structured settlements annuity option, which include fixed index annuities, single premium immediate annuities, deferred income annuities, multiple years guarantee agreements. How does a structured settlement work? The decision to utilize a structured settlement must be made before finalizing the settlement agreement. Once both parties have agreed to details of structured settlement, the claimant releases the defendant or insurer from liability. The defendant or insurer then pays the settlement funds to a third party assignment company, which assumes liability and purchases an annuity from a series structured settlement carrier. The carrier then makes a series of periodic payments based on previously agreed up to timeline and amount. Structured settlement may be funded with proceeds for settlements of almost any size. In fact, many structured settlement providers with structure amounts as low as $10,000. The choice is ultimately the claimants, and many find that structured settlement is much more beneficial than a lump sum cash payment. Benefits of structured settlement: provision income tax free for physical injury and wrongful death cases, payment for physical injury and death cases, payment including growth for physical injury and wrongful death cases are free from state and federal income tax under section of Internal Revenue Code. So is income tax deferred from non-physical injury cases. The answer is payment for non-physical injury cases are tax deferred. Granted payments. The schedule of granted payments determined on the front end of transaction resulting in a steady source of safe liable income for the claimant. अगला है guaranteed rate of return. With the locked in rate of return, injured claimants can rest assured that market volatility will not affect their structured settlement payments. Thanks for watching my videos. So guys, meet to the next video. Allah Hafiz.